So hello everyone, today I am going to present my physiology presentation and it is about the cranial nerves presented by me Rohan Rajiguru. So what are the contents of the cranial nerves? Let's see physiology of cranial nerves and then we'll see about the structure, its function and its clinical significance. So let's start. What is the cranial nerve? So, introduction to cranial nerves. What are the cranial nerves, by the way? Cranial nerves are the 12 pairs of the nerves that arises directly from the brain. They connect the brain to the head, neck, and certain internal organs, responsible for the sensory, motor, and autonomic functions. Number from 1 to 12 according to their position on the brain. So, main functions like vision, hearing, smell, taste, eye movements, facial expressions, swallowing, and speech. So we have three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. So sensory nerves consist of olfactory, optic, and vestibulocochlear nerve. Motor nerves are consist of oculomotor, trochlear, abducens, accessory, and hypoglossal nerve. Mixed nerve consist of trigeminal, facial, glossopharyngeal, and vagus nerve. So what are the functions of that? Sensory nerves carry information to the brain. Motor nerves control the muscles. Mixed nerve performs the both the function. We can see here the olfactory, optic, oculomotor, abducens, trochlear, trigeminal, facial, cochlear, glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessory, and the hypoglossal. So cranial nerves 1 to 4th. First is olfactory, sense of the smell. It senses the smell. Second is optic. It responsible for the vision and visual perspection. Third is the oculometer, controls most of the eye movements, regulates the pupil constrictions. And the fourth is trochlear, controls the superior oblique muscle of the eye. We can see here the olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, olfactory nerves, and the nasal cavity. Cranial nerves 4 to 8. Fourth cranial nerve is trigeminal. It recognizes the facial sensations. Muscles of mastication is chewing. You can see here the fifth cranial nerve is abducens, lateral movement of the eyes, we can say. Sixth cranial nerve is facial nerve, and facial expressions test from anterior tongue and salivary and lacrimal gland secretion. Eighth is the vestibulocochlear. It is responsible for the hearing and balance and equilibrium. So 9 to 12th cranial nerves. Ninth is the glossopharyngeal, test from the posterior trunk and swallowing reflex. 10th is the vagus nerve, controls the heart, lungs, and digestive organs. Major parasympathetic nerve. And accessory, 11th is the accessory nerve, controls the neck and shoulder muscles. And 12th is the hypoglossal nerve, controls the tongue movements. We can see here all the everything. We can see here the vagus nerve function. Summary table of the cranial nerves, we can say that the first olfactory sensory smell to brain, optic is vision, oculometer the eye muscles except the lateral rectus and superior oblique. Trochlear is the motor to superior oblique, trigeminal motor to masseter sensor of the ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular regions. Abducens is like motor to lateral rectus. Facial is motor to facial muscles. Vestibulocochlear is hearing and balance sensory hearing. Glossopharyngeal is palate movements, vagus is uvula and palate movements. Accessory is like elevates the trapezius and SCM. Hypoglossal is tongue protrusion. Clinical significance, we can say here the what are the its disorders associated with the cranial nerves. Olfactory nerve damage, loss of the smell is anosmia. When we loses the smell, it causes the anosmia. Facial nerve damage is like Bell's palsy and facial palsy, we can say that. Facial muscle weakness, optic nerve damage is vision impairment, vestibulocochlear nerve damage is hearing loss or balance disorders. Examination of cranial nerves, clinical assessment about how to test and all. So common tests are like smell identification test, visual activity test, eye movement examination, facial expression assessment, hearing assessment, tongue movement test. Importance is help diagnose the neurological disorders and assesses the brainstem function. Conclusion: cranial nerves are the 12 pairs of the nerves arising from the brain. They perform the sensory, motor, and autonomic functions. They are essential for vision, hearing, smell, taste, speech, movement, swallowing, even. And damage to cranial nerves can cause significant neurological problems and disorders. Understanding cranial nerves is important in physiology and clinical medicine. So, thank you.